Hi there, my name's Ian Pace and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be part 2 of the hot rod truck build. I hope you've seen part 1. If you haven't, please do check it out. And if you did, you already know that I'm going to be doing these videos slightly different to what I normally do. I hope you enjoyed the new format. If you do, please do comment. If you don't, you can also comment. Anyway, let's crack on. Today is going to be the truck bed. This is one of the rear wheels. Hopefully you've seen me make this. If you haven't, again, go check it out. So I don't want much ground clearance on this truck because it is a hot rod after all. So I'm just thinking there, I don't exactly want it, much above the rear arches. So I'm thinking probably about that long. I think double check. Measure once, cut twice, as they say. No, you don't. Measure twice, cut once. So yeah, I think we've got a bit of a bend. It's going to be there. Maybe a bit less. I'm going to go there. I guess I could always chop some off if it's wrong. So they should be all the same length, but close enough. Probably heat those up, otherwise they're probably not going to bend where I want them to bend. Let's give it a go. I'm going to use this. Well, I'm actually doing more of the same route then, hopefully. No idea where this came from. It came from work somewhere along the line. Not really sure what it's for. But let me check it out. So let's see. It's going to be too long. So yeah, let's see. So that's going to be my wheel. Then we will have probably a wheel arch. Maybe. Coming along. So then that would be just a bit higher. Yeah, looks about right. Now I just need to work out where the end of the truck bed's going to be and then cut this to size. extra brown. Let's do it. So yeah, this isn't going to be the bottom of the bed. I guess it is the bottom, but you know, as in the bit that you would actually put things on. We'll do that afterwards. Now let's just grind off all that paint. Now I need to work out a way of making this bend all the way along the edge of the truck bed, because I want it to look a little bit like an sort of F100 pickup truck from like the 1950s, as you can see in the top right hand corner here. Obviously not exactly alike, I'm not that accurate. I pondered on how to do this for so long, and I'm sure there are way better ways, but this is what I come up with. So the idea is to weld this along the edge of where I want to start the bend and then hammer it over it to give it the curve of this bar.
Now I've got both sides bent to around about the same angle. It's time for me to weld on the bars that I bent earlier on the ends. That's the first one done, and now I'm just going to go and do all the other corners and the top off camera. Now I'm just going to grind down all of these welds so you've got nice smooth edges. Now after I finish that, I feel like that's a good place to leave that for the first day. Now, I'm sure a lot of you out there are probably thinking that's not a lot for one day, but in reality, it's not one whole day. It's probably around about 3 hours. I just felt like it's a good place to leave it for the day. Obviously, I've cut this down and you don't see my mistakes and you don't see all my thinking time of how to do it, because otherwise this would be, like I say, a 3 hour long video. And who wants to watch me thinking?